What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Adrian here from Mateo Drones, bringing you another video. This is gonna be a little video using the Dji Spark. I'm about to go ahead and attempt to do a little bit of FPV flying with the Spark, because once you put this baby in sports mode, it goes nuts. Let's go ahead and try it. I already hit record. I'm doing the screen recording. So let me go ahead and take over this bad boy.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Put it back in GPS. Boom. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in sports mode. Boom. And let's go. Pray for me, because I do not want to crash this bad boy. And if you like the content on my channel, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. How's everybody doing? Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you go ahead and hit that bell notification to keep updated with the channel. And let me go ahead and fly it. Hopefully I do not crash it. A little FPV using my Dji Spark. Let's get it! This is me practicing with my Spark to learn how to fly FPV. All right, a little nervous, but I'll be all right. You guys can tell that I do not know how to fly FPV yet, but I'm learning. But I'm gonna practice with my Spark. Go ahead and calm down a little bit and come back to the land. Howdy, 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 howdy. Man, this thing haul ass. With sports mode, when you're trying to do this FPV, you gotta keep your sticks moving. Holy cow. This Dji Spark is a lot of fun. Woo! Holy Jesus. Whoa, whoa, easy, easy. Sorry, just got a little razzle dazzle, you know. Yeah. Let's get it, Sparky. Come on, baby. Hum for me, baby, baby. Yeah. This is me practicing for my FPV debut when I go ahead and buy one, which I'm going to buy one soon. No flip-flops, no okey doke, no flip, no nothing with this one. This is still like GPS drone, but it's a Spark. But once you put that thing in sports mode, this is what you get right here. Wild and crazy. Nothing perfect. I'm not trying to be fancy. I'm just trying to learn how to fly this bad boy on sports mode and do a little FPV training. Who told you you can't do FPV training with the Spark? Who said that? They're lying to you. They're lying to you. Man, this thing haul ass. Holy shit. Well, don't hit my truck. All right. Let me bring it back. And that is all I got for you guys. A little FPV training with my Dji Spark. Again, if you like the video, make sure you hit that subscribe. Adrian here from Adrian Mateo Drone. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the bell notification to keep updated with the channel. That's what I got for you guys. FPV debut coming soon, baby. Yeah.
Landing.